Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter Earth as a planet and the topic is shape of the Earth. Okay, different scientists have different views about the shape of the Earth. So we are having 9 proofs which have proved that Earth is spherical shape. In ancient times, people believed that Earth is flat like a disc and it had steep edges. And people feared that they will fall off the edges. And we know that Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. Okay, and the famous Greek philosopher by 6th century Pythagoras, he also said that Earth is spherical in shape, but people didn't believe him. And then Aristotle, Varamira, Copernicus, Aryabhat, they also said that Earth is spherical in shape. And then different scientists have proved this Earth is spherical by different process. Let us see the first, the Sun and the planet. We know that all the heavenly bodies are spherical in shape. So if all the heavenly bodies, sun, moons, satellites are spherical in shape, then Earth cannot be exception. So Earth is also spherical in shape. Sunrise and sunset. The time of sunrise and sunset is not same everywhere, is it? As Earth rotates from west to east, the people, those who live in the eastern side, faces sunrise earlier than the western side. If Earth had been flat, then all the places would have received the sunrise and sunset time at the same time, is it? But this is not so. Third proof, the circular horizon. What is horizon? The place where sky and land appears to meet, or place where sky and sea appears to meet, that is horizon. As we look about the Earth from the top of a hill or a tall building, we see that the edges of the horizon look circular in shape, and the extent of circular horizon increases. This is circular horizon. This extent increases as the altitude of observer increases, and this is only possible by spherical shape of a body. Had the Earth been flat, then it is not possible, because then horizon would remain same. Either altitude of an observer increases or decreases. So the fourth proof, the circular shadow. On the basis of Aristotle, he believed that the spherical shape of the Earth was its circular shadow, which was mostly observed during lunar eclipse, and circular shadow can only be cast by a spherical body. Okay, so these are all the 4 proofs about the shape of the Earth. Proceed further. The 5th proof is the sighting of a ship. As we stand near the seacoast, and if we see the ship approaching towards the land, we see the smoke coming out of the chimney of the ship, because the entire ship lies below the line of sight. Okay, and when the ship comes over the horizon, then we are able to see the deck, chimney and entire ship. This is due to the curved surface of the Earth, is it? And if Earth had been flat, then whole the ship, our entire ship, would be able to see at the same time. But this is not so. Pole star. You know that the position of mostly pole star is just vertically above the equator towards the North Pole, and the angle of elevation of pole star is always different at different places, is it? This is due to the spherical shape of the Earth only, and towards the equator the angle of elevation decreases at 0 degree. But if the Earth would have been flat, then angle of elevation of pole star is always overhead, that is 90 degrees. Okay, but this is not so. Next, 7th one, the circumnavigation. We know that most of the sailors travelled around the sea, is it, in different direction, and then return back to their starting point. One of the Portuguese navigator and explorer, he went to voyage for travelling to the sea route, and he discovered the Strait of Magellan. He sailed across Pacific, Atlantic, all the ocean, though he was killed in Philippines, is it? But his ship continued to the westward and returned back to the starting point. This proof also proves that Earth is spherical in shape. Then next is Bedford Canal. This is a very convincing proof about the shape of the Earth, mostly given by Dr. Wallace, a Britisher. He carried out an experiment in the Bedford Canal. Okay, he fixed 3 poles of equal length in the level of water, in the level of canal, at a distance of 1.6 kilometer. In this manner, he fixed 3 poles. Okay. And when he put these 3 poles and tried to see the top of these poles through a telescope, he find that always the middle pole was little bit higher by mostly 8 inch or 20 centimeter. And he repeated this experiment several times, but about beyond his diet he come to know that the shape of the earth is curved or earth is spherically shaped. The last proof, recent photographs of the earth. Nowadays you know that our orbiting satellites are taking continuous photograph from different situations, and we see that earth in true perspective in this photograph is mostly spherical. So this is a very convincing proof about the shape of the earth. So these are all the 9 proofs which have proved that earth is spherically shaped.